Your luxury Ghana home can still flood from bad drainage. Rain falls, the compound fills, and suddenly the beautiful finish does not matter. Water sits by the walls, soil starts washing away, gutters overflow, the air smells foul, mosquitoes gather, mold creeps in. Even your septic system can start giving you problems. And the worst part is, most owners only notice after the house is already built. You try quick fixes, you patch one corner, you call whoever is available, but poor guttering and drainage keep creating the same expensive problems. Stop guessing. Before you build, renovate, or contract anyone, get the right system and the right tradesperson in place. Search NACNU to find the best reviewed plumber or tradesperson who can help reduce these risks and save you from future costs.